sunset tomorrow 6:34. This message is for test purposes only. Test. 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 The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a test message for the Kentucky statewide tornado drill. This includes all counties in Kentucky and is valid until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a test message. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test message for Kentucky statewide tornado drill. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. This test message is part of the annual Kentucky tornado drill. If this was an actual severe weather event, a specific severe weather product would be issued with information about the hazard. The National Weather Service, the Kentucky Emergency Management Agency, and the Kentucky Weather Preparedness Committee encourage the use of this time to activate and review your severe weather safety plans. Repeating, this has been a test tornado warning message for the 2022 Kentucky tornado drill. This concludes the test. This is a test message. Repeating, this is a test.